In this time I will show you how to make unusual collar made in Romanian point lace technique. For work you need cotton yarns, ready cords, pins, scissors, sewing needle, beads, crochet hook, mat and pattern in real size. We divide our work on some parts. Firstly, I pin the cord in the shape of the flower, so places of contiguity. Then I show you how to make a petal for this flower. Then make leaves, stalks, and after that I'm going to work with chaotic mesh in the inside part of the project. Then I pinned white cord. Then I show you how to make a trim with beads for this cord. Then I will decorate chaotic mesh with beads. Let's begin the work. Begin the work. I pin pattern in real size on the mat. Let's make the middle part of the flower. I have done the cord, so places of contiguity. It will be the end and the beginning of this cord. I pin it. Now I show you how to make the trim for this round. Now I'm going to work with trim till this line. I begin from this point and I will finish here. To complete the work by making single crochet, in this case I will use light color of yarn. Begin the work, insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop, make a chain, make single crochet into each loop of the cord. Let's stop and put it on the pattern. It's not enough, so I will continue the work. Continue. I have done the trim. I cut off the yarn. Then I remove the yarn along the cord. I have done trim for the middle part. Now I pin it. Now I show you how to decorate the middle part with beads. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. With the needle, go through the stitches, and with the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. With the needle, go through the stitch, draw bead, skip the next stitch, and insert the sewing needle into the second stitch or loop. Draw the next seed bead. With the needle, go through the second loop. Then I'm going to work in this way till the end of this round. Continue the work. I take white cord, pin it on a pattern, like this. Continue the work. I have already pinned my white cord, then I cut off it. Now I show you how to remove all yarns in this cord. Take the working yarns, pull it through. Then you should sew all places of contiguity, here, here, and here. I have already pinned my cord, have sewn places of contiguity. Then you should make in the same way another flower. I have done 2 flowers. Now I continue working with leaves and stalks. Take the green cord, put it on the pattern. I pin my cord. We are working on the front side of the project. I put this cord on the first one. I have already pinned my green cord. Now you should sew all places of contiguity. As you can see, I have already pinned the second cord. It is going to be green color as well. After that, I have sewn all places of contiguity. Here, here, and here, here, and here. And at this point, as you remember, I showed you how to put the second cord on the first one. Here and here. In this case, I have sewn the corner at this point and here. At this point and here. We'll continue working on this project in the second part of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.